What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man. We are back with another video, man. And today we have a special unboxing from the GOAT app, man. You guys know I rock with the GOAT app heavy. They've been doing your boy right for the past couple years, and I always go back to them, pick up some of those grails that I missed out on, and some early sneakers sometimes I pick up from the GOAT app as well, man. So if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, ring notification bell for your boys to never miss any other video that drops on the channel. We got some more early unboxings, we got some more reviews on feeds, and this is the next one to drop, man, over these Air Jordan 3 Cool Grays. Check them beauties out. We'll be releasing on January the 30th, I believe so, for a retail price of $190. Y'all stay tuned for the full in-depth review and the clean on feet, man. I cannot wait to show you guys these joints on feet. And I'm telling you guys, everybody that's thinking about not picking them up, you might change your mind over these once you see the full review on feet. So hit the notification bell right now. And if you don't mind, please leave a huge like on the video. That really helps the channel grow, man. The more you guys like the video, the more my videos get recommended to other people that love sneakers as well, man. So please hit the like button, it helps a lot, man. So with all that out the way, man, let's jump right into this unboxing from the lovely GOAT app, man. Let's get right into it. All right, guys, for these sneakers right here, I really do believe something is going to happen with these right here, just because we do have another colorway in this same exact sneaker. We're gonna talk about that a little bit later, so let's get right into it, because everything I was just about to say wouldn't make sense until y'all seen the actual sneaker. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Not too much talking. If you haven't already, hit that like button, man. So let's get into it. The GOAT app, you guys already know how the box come, the brown tape, everything, you know, it's pretty much the same every time. I got a pair of sneakers from them. Sometimes they add the little GOAT authentication card in there, sometimes they don't. So we're gonna see what they do. They wishy-washy with that sometimes. So let's get right into this joint. I flipped it over on the other side of the box because I could not get the freaking label with my address on there off of it. So we got it right here. Check it out. You see it has a red jumper right here, all black box, until you flip these things over and you see what we got. You see what we got, man. Brown tissue paper up top. Let's get that out the way. And let me see if it came with a GOAT card inside the box. No, it did not. And yeah, you guys already know what this is right here, man. You know what these are. I'm not sure where they came from, because they got like some I don't know if it's like a Chinese stamp, because you know sometimes people that sell sneakers on GOAT are all over the world. If you do not know that, sometimes you buy sneakers, you check your tracking, you see that it comes from overseas in China. So don't be, you know, worried about that. They're 100% legit, man. I trust the GOAT app. If anybody's out there nervous about buying sneakers from the GOAT app, man, trust me, I bought plenty of sneakers from them. I haven't had any issues with buying from them. If you guys want to get a second set of eyes, man, you get a free legit tech using the legit app. I will link it down below. Use my code TheVintageWorld and you get your free sneaker authentication, man. So let's get into it. Air Jordan 6 Retro SP, size 8.5. medium, olive, infrared, and black. You guys should already know what this joint is. You see the cactus logo on the side, and what really made me want to get these joints again, let's go ahead and pull them out real quick. Okay, so now we got something new with the GOAT app, man. Check this out, bro. Okay, I see the GOAT stepping up their game right there, man. Check that out. Pretty much the same thing you got on the white card, but they put it on the black card. A little bit skinnier, a little bit more appealing, I guess, to the buyer, and I actually like this. It's pretty neat, man. So it shows you every step that it goes through: color, shape, material, structure, stitching, all that good stuff. You can read it if you want it. Let that focus right quick. Okay. And then you have a GOAT sticker that usually always comes with your sneakers. And let's go ahead and take these beauties out. Let's pull them out. Yes sir, we have the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts, man. Let me go ahead and pull the other one out of the box, and I see something I don't like already. The laces did not come attached with the shoe. Oh my god, I kind of don't like that. So you got the black laces, you have the yellow laces, and I thought it was another pair of laces. Maybe it's not, maybe it's just yellow and black. But man, I love my shoes is all the way DS. When I mean DS, I mean the lace is still attached to the lace bag onto the sneaker. So I seen Jada Sneaker had that same issue. He bought the chunky dunkies and his laces was not attached to his sneakers. And I kind of, you know, you spend all this money for the shoes, you want them to come how they come to everybody else when you get them straight from the retailer. So I'm a little bit, you know, salty about that. But it is what it is, man. At least I know that I do have 100% legit sneakers from the GOAT app. So I guess, you know, it's not that big of a deal. But they come with 2 extra set of laces. You guys should already know this. I already did a full review, detailed review over these Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts. Yellow black laces. There's nothing else on the inside of the box. And like I said, these came from overseas, so you get that same little, you know, Chinese Nike tag or whatever, with all the wording and stuff like that. I'm not too sure what it says, but who cares about that? Yeah, man, so for these Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts, I sold them a while back. This is when I was pretty much selling everything out of my collection, and I was like, yo, I gotta get these joints back. We have another Travis Scott 6 scheduled to release this year. It's a yellow pair, and I was like, yo, if I don't get this pair now, I kind of regretted selling that back then, along with a lot of other sneakers, but I kind of want to downsize my collection. I always do that, maybe like every other month, because I have a lot of shoes. Trust me, this is not all the shoes that I have behind me. I got shoes in my closet, I got shoes in my living room. It's just out of hand. But with that yellow pair releasing, I believe the original pair of Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts will shoot up. We've seen this happen with the Air Jordan 4 Travis Scotts, the Houston Oilers colorway or whatever, and it was sitting around $500. I bought my pair for $500 in 2018. I remember like it was yesterday, and next thing you know, they shot up in resale value. I sold my pair for $1,000 last year. I sold my pair that I spent $500 for $1,000, so I made a $500 profit. You cannot beat that. You cannot beat it at all. If you ever need money, it's always money in your sneakers. You can get some of your money back, if not more than retail. With the Air Jordan 4 Travis Scotts, I feel like, you know, the price went up because of the other colors you did see. It was a purple pair of Air Jordan 4 Travis Scotts, and it was a pair of dark brownish Air Jordan 4 Travis Scotts, and it's another lookalike of that sneaker, the top hazes that do release January the 28th. Cannot wait to cop those. I'm trying to get those joints early for you guys, so we're gonna see what happens. But the Air Jordan 4 top haze are similar to a Travis Scott Air Jordan 4. So with this yellow pair about to come out, I'm saying it right now, if you can get you a pair right here, I got these for $588 or $600 some dollars, I forget. Get them for around that price. I definitely think by the end of this year, once we get the yellow pair, the OG colorway of the original release of the Travis Scott 6 will definitely go up, man. As you guys can see, you have that all over olive colorway, dark green, military green, whatever you want to call it. The infrared hits on the Cactus Jack logo. You got the pockets and all that good stuff. And I'm pretty sure that if this pair comes like this, they're gonna do the same exact, you know, sneaker with like the same little sick emoji on the lace lock, on the inside of the pocket or whatever. I feel like everything will come the same, just, you know, in a yellow colorway for this new upcoming Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts. Checking out the outsole right here, man, as you can see, these do glow in the dark, and I'm pretty sure with that yellow pair and a glow in the dark feature for the outsole, I feel like it's gonna look very nice. I feel like that sneaker's probably gonna have more hype than these right here, because that yellow just really pops, and I feel like people want to get, you know, loud colorways, especially if it's attached to some type of hype. Speaking of some type of hype, man, we do have an Air Jordan 1 off-white and a canary yellow colorway. So like I said, the yellow is really popping this year. We got the Volt Golds earlier. I think that was the first release of the year as far as Jordan brand. We got the yellow pair of Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts, and we have the yellow pair of Air Jordan 1 off-whites, man. I cannot wait to get them joints. Hopefully the resale is a little bit low. We all know it's going to shoot back up, but the hype around the off-white and Air Jordan 1, it's just crazy, man. Let alone just any Air Jordan 1 in general. These Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts did not get as much, you know, I feel like praise as any other of his Travis Scotts that he dropped. I don't know if that's because of the silhouette. I thought people really love Air Jordan 6s. Me, myself, I love 6s. And when I first got these, I wasn't really feeling them. I wasn't trying to get sucked into the hype or whatever. And then next thing you know, I copped them. I sold them. I bought them again. That was a mistake. I didn't mean to buy them again. I sold them again. I kind of seen the resale dipping, so I was like, yo, let me just get them off my hand. I'm not really feeling them, so I sold them. And then now we here today. We have another pair of DS Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts, man. I almost forgot that these joints had a Nike Air on them as well. So on the right shoe or the left shoe, you got a Nike Air tag on the back, and you get a Cactus Jack embroidered on the back of the right sneaker, as you guys can see right here. The overall suede is just crazy. It's very nice, very buttery. Put some premium touches to this. And for everybody that got these in the collection, man, please let me know down below in the comment section. I'm very interested in knowing. I know a lot of people dumped these joints off last year when the price kind of dipped, but after we seen that they're going to be releasing the yellow pair of Air Jordan 6 Travis Scotts, I definitely think these are gonna hit like $1,000 before the end of the year, or right around the same time they do decide to drop those yellow Travis Scott Air Jordan 6s. You guys let me know how you feel about my recent pickup. This is my most expensive pickup of 2021. Coming in with a bang. So I'm kind of going back and getting some of the sneakers I sold. We have a couple more on the hit list. You guys will see some unboxings coming from the GOAT app. Been talking to a couple different consignment shops and stuff like that, trying to get a good price on one special pair of sneakers. You guys will see it very, very soon. So yeah, man, let me know your most recent sneaker pickup down below in the comment section. I'm very interested in knowing. Let's get some conversation going down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Your notification bell for your boys to never miss any other unboxings on feed. Like I said, we are about to drop the early review and on feed over these Air Jordan 3 cool grays. These things are beautiful. Don't miss it. Hit the notification bell right now. Leave a huge like on this video. The likes go a long way, and this makes YouTube push this video out to other people that love sneakers as well. I appreciate everybody for pulling up, man. Thanks for all the love and support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.